Good morning, students. This is your maths class. Now, first of all, I am going to discuss about the answers of question number 2 from exercise 9.1. Okay, this is on page number 125. So, here you can see the hours hand is between 9 and 10. Okay, so, and the minutes hand is at 4. So either you count 5 4s are 20, or you count the gaps between the numbers as 5 and add on. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so this is 9:20. Okay, or you can even write 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes past 9. So 20 minutes have gone past 9. Okay, now the next question is over here. Okay, you can see the hours hand is at 7 and the minutes hand is at 5. So it is 7 past 5. Sorry, 5 past 7. You will write it as 5 minutes past 7. Now in the next question, you can see the hours hand is between 1 and 2 and the minutes hand is at 8. Now either you will first of all write 140 over here in digits. Okay, or now here I have written 20 minutes to, wait a minute. Okay, I had done a mistake over here. So you will write here 20 minutes to 2. So there are 20 minutes left to become 2 o'clock. Okay, you can either read this as 20 minutes to 2, or you can say 40 minutes. You will write here 40 minutes past 1. Okay, so 40 minutes has gone past 1. Okay, now question number D. Look at this picture carefully. Okay, here if the hours hand is at 6, is close to 6, very close to 6, and the minutes hand is at 11. So you will say it is 5:55. And here you will write 5 minutes to 6. So 5 minutes is left to be 6 o'clock. Okay, you can either read this in this way, or you can say 55 minutes here, 55 minutes past 5. Okay, now here question number E. Here if you look at here, the hours hand is between 3 and 4. So you will write 3, and the minutes hand is at 8. So 8 5s are 40. Okay, now you will read this as 20 minutes to 4. That means 20 minutes is left to be 4 o'clock. Okay, or you can even write 40 minutes past 3. Okay, now the last one, that is question number F. The hours hand is at 10 and the minutes hand is at 1. So you can say, first you will write 10 past 5, or 10.5 in digits. Okay, now how will you read this? 5 minutes past 10. Okay, that means 5 minutes has gone by past 10. Okay, now today we are going to learn about a new topic in this chapter. Okay, that is duration of time. Duration of time means the time passed between two events. For example, Raj leaves home at 7 o'clock in the morning and he reaches his school at 8 o'clock. It takes Raj 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 hour to reach school. So the duration of time is 1 hour. Okay. Here they have given you a challenge. Arushi sat down to study at 5:30 in the evening. She studied for 1 hour 30 minutes. When did she finish her studies? You add on 1 hour 30 minutes to this time. Okay. Now 30 plus 30 will be 60 minutes. That means 6:30. Okay. Or you can first add 1 hour. If you add 1 hour to 5, it is 6. Okay. Now there is 30 minutes already here. It is 6:30. Okay. Now again here there is 30 minutes. You add 30 minutes, that will be 7 o'clock. So see, finished her studies at 7 o'clock. Now calculating time. How do you calculate time? We already know that there are 24 hours in one day, and each hour has 60 minutes. Also, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Let's use this knowledge to calculate time. Look at the given example. Example 1. Calculate the number of hours in 4 days. Solution. Hours in 1 day is equal to 24. Hours in 4 days will be 24 into 4. That will be 96. Thus, there are 96 hours in 4 days. Now the second example is on the next page. Okay. Here they have asked how many minutes or seconds are there in 2 hours. Minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60 seconds. Minutes in 2 hours is equal to 60 into 2. Why we are doing 2? Because they are asking how many minutes or seconds are there in 2 hours. Okay. So first will be finding how many minutes are there in 2 hours. So 60 into 2 will be 120. Or you can even add 60 plus 60, that will become 120. So there are 120 minutes in 2 hours. Now you have to also find how many seconds are there in 2 hours. So once 1 minute has how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now seconds in 120 minutes, we have already taken out 120 minutes from 2 hours. Okay, there how many minutes will be there? 120 minutes in 2 hours. So 120 minutes, so 60, that is 60 seconds in 1 minute into 120 minutes, that is in 2 hours, is equal to 7200 seconds. Thus there are 120 minutes in 2 hours or 7200 seconds in 2 hours. Okay. Now exercise 9.2. Anjali's daily routine is given below. Write duration of time of each activity. She wakes up in the morning at 6 o'clock. Goes to school at 7 o'clock. Duration of time is 1 hour. Okay. You can write HR or even HOUR. Okay. So the duration of time between these two events, that is Anjali waking up at 6 o'clock and going to school at 7 o'clock, is 1 hour. She reaches school at 8 o'clock, eats lunch at 11 o'clock. So what is the difference in between? 11 minus 7, 8 will be 3 hours. So you will write 3 hours over here. Okay. Now question number C, you will do it by yourself. Okay. Now question number 2, write the time. A, time now is 5 o'clock. Time after 1 hour will be if right now it is 5 o'clock, after 1 hour what will be the time be? It will be 6 o'clock. Okay. Similarly, if right now it's 8 o'clock, after 1 hour, time after 1 hour will be 9 o'clock. Okay, do this by yourself. Okay, now question number B. Time now. If time now is 7 o'clock, after 1 hour, sorry, time 1 hour before. So what was the time 1 hour before? It is 6 o'clock. Okay, now question number C. If time now is 1 o'clock, what will be the time after 3 hours? Add 3 hours to 1, it will be 2, 3, 4. 4 o'clock. Okay. Here, you can even see, look at the clock over here. If right now is 1 o'clock, okay, they are asking what will be the time after 3 hours? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. So it is 4 o'clock. Okay, yeah, 4. Okay, now if time now is 3 o'clock, what will be the time after, sorry, what was the time before 2 hours? Okay, so if right now is 3 o'clock, what was the time before 2 hours? 1, 1, 2. That is 1 o'clock. If you add 2 more hours, you will get to 3. 1, 2. So it is 1 o'clock. Okay. So here there are few questions. Word, you can say these are word questions. Okay. How many hours will be there in A, 2 days, B, 5 days, and C, 1 week? Okay, so question number 3 I'll do it for you. You have to do question number 4 and 5 by yourself. For these type of questions, refer to the examples that are given here in the page number 125 and 126 at the top. Okay, now if you look at question number 3, okay, I went through all these questions. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've done one question each from the given questions over there. Okay, so in question number 3, it's written how many hours will be there in 2 days, 5 days, and 1 week. Okay, so I have done question number A for you. Now they have asked how many hours will be there in 2 days. Okay, this is for question number 3A. Hours in 1 day is 24 is equal to 24. Now they are asking hours in 2 days. So hours in 2 days will be 24 into 2. That will be 48. Thus there are 48 hours in 2 days. Now question number 4. Calculate the number of minutes in 4 hours, 6 hours and 1 day. So question number A, 4A, they are asking calculate the number of minutes in 4 hours. So minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60. Now minutes in 4 hours will be 60 into 4. That will be 240. Okay. Thus minutes in 4 hours is 240, or you can even write thus there are 240 minutes in 4 hours. Okay. Now question number 5. Calculate the number of seconds in A, question number A, 5A, 30 minutes and B, 7 hours. Answer for question number 5A will be seconds in 1 minute is equal to 60. Seconds in 30 minutes will be 60 into 30. Okay, that will be 1800. Thus there are 1800 seconds in 30 minutes. Okay, so if you observe all these answers, okay, whatever they are asking, like here they are asking how many hours will be there in 2 days. First you write how many hours there will be for one day. Hours in one day is equal to 24, and after that whatever they are asking, here they are asking 2 days. Hours in 2 days will be 24 into 2. Now if you are solving this question number B, that will be hours in 5 days will be 24 into 5, and you will get your answer over here, and thus you will write the conclusion. Similarly, in question number 4, they are asking calculate the number of minutes. Now how many minutes will be, first you take out the write down the number of minutes in 1 hour, that is minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60. Now for question number B, you will write minutes in 6 hours will be 60 into 6, then you will get your answer and you write the conclusion. Now for question number 5, they are asking calculate the number of seconds in 30 minutes. Now for question number B, you first write seconds in 1 minute is 60. Now they are asking seconds for 7 hours. So first you take out how many minutes will be there in 7 hours. Okay. Okay, I'll do this question also for you. Okay, I'll first solve it in this copy and explain it to you. Okay, so here in question number B of 5, okay, they are asking how many seconds are there in 7 hours. So first you will take out how many minutes are there in 7 hours. You have to break it down. Okay, so minutes in 1 hour is equal to 60. Minutes in 7 hour will be 60 into 7, that will be 420. Now seconds in 1 minute is equal to 60. Now you have got how many minutes there are in 7 hours. So you will write seconds in 420 minutes. Okay, this is 420 minutes. There are 420 minutes in 7 hours. So 420 minutes is equal to 60 into 420, that will make 25,200 seconds. So you will write thus there are 25,200 seconds in 7 hours. Okay.